Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get started with auto investment on Bybit. For that you need to launch your Bybit mobile application, and here on the home page you need to tap on the more option. Now in the more you need to select the buy crypto option, and now you need to tap on buy crypto. Now once you are in the buy section, you just have to follow further instructions, but if you are not able to find buy option over here, then you can even use the search bar in the top and then select buy option. After that you will be landed on the one click buy page, where you just have to tap on the auto invest option that would be in the bottom and look something like this. Now on the auto investment page, you just have to simply follow these steps. First, you need to choose the fiat currency or the cryptocurrency that you would like to pay with. In order to select it, you just have to tap on the drop down menu, and from this list you just have to select the fiat currency or the cryptocurrency. After that, you need to enter the amount of fiat currency or the cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase with. Next, you need to set the frequency by choosing either daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly intervals. You can also select the date and the time for your auto investment plans. Now, you need to note the following details in order to comply with the country's remediation. So, Russians and Bulgarians users can only purchase auto investment plans in RUB currency. Dutch users only use the pairs like EUR-USDT, EUR-USDC, EUR-ETH and EUR-BTC. So you need to make sure that you follow these instructions, and now you need to press the next button. Here you need to make sure that all of the plan details are correct, and you need to tick on I have read the and agree to the terms and conditions of Bybit and privacy policy. After that, you need to press the confirm button in the bottom, and your auto investment plans has been successfully created and will be automatically processed according to the parameters that you set. You need to note that automated email will be sent to your registered email address on Bybit. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.